girls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a day in my online PE and health life. So let's just get straight into the video. So I start off by turning off my fan, and I usually start my day around 7:30, no later than 8, because I am a morning person. So I wanted to just do all that work. And I open the windows and I plug in my Apple Watch because I like to sleep with my Apple Watch just so that I can track how much I'm sleeping in a night. After plugging in my Apple Watch, I will unplug my computer and start, and then I always have chapped lips, even though they're usually soft, but I just like having Vaseline on my lips. My personal favorite is the cocoa butter one. Trust me, your lips will thank me later. The cocoa butter one is just so much better for your lips than the regular one. And then after that, I usually start the day off in bed, like doing my work, checking my emails, and just starting off taking notes and everything. So here's me taking notes, getting my pens. You guys know I love erasable pens. The notes I take right now aren't the best. I like to go through what I'm supposed to do on that day and then what I'm supposed to do the next day to see if I want to work ahead or not, depending on how I feel on that day. So that was the Teen Suicide one, was the next days. So I started taking notes. We had to watch 2 videos, a TED Talk for teens one, and then one just overall about what bullying is. And then obviously I don't want to get too much in my notes because my next video is going to be how I take notes in general, but now that I'm in summer PE now. And here's the actual video that I watched that was about bullying and how the rates of cyberbullying are going up and all this stuff. I usually take up a page and I like to use the back because it really doesn't matter. And then here is a second video I watched about what bullying actually is. So after I watched and took notes on all of that, I did like a scenario kind of thing. So I had 2 scenarios and I had to make like a description about what I would do in that scenario if I was a bully or if I was a bystander. So I chose to be a bystander in both of them because I just can't stand the idea of being a bully. And then I submitted it and then I started on the discussion question. So it took me a while because we have like 6 or 7 questions to answer, but each of them I put like at least 2 sentences, so that took about like 2 paragraphs ish. So here's a time lapse of me doing it, and then after that you have to respond to 2 other people's, and you can't just say I agree. You have to like support what you're gonna say because it needs to be higher level thinking. And yeah, so then that's what I did. I obviously sometimes I look things up on my phone with Siri or spell check or whatever, and then my mom wakes up and so does my dog, so I have to take him out and we go on a walk. Usually I film it, but I forgot to film, so here's just me like preparing. And you guys are really lucky because for some reason my dog wanted to be in my video. Just like, look, putting on my socks and he's just in my video. So here's me going on a walk. After going on a walk, I usually transfer everything from my bed to my desk because I don't take a shower right away because we do work out just like right after. So we go on a walk for like a mile and it takes us like 20 minutes, and then from there we work out. So usually after that we have like 30 minutes to spare, and my mom usually takes a shower first. So then after she takes a shower we go make breakfast. So I was taking notes over another video because I just wanted to get done for the day. I don't know why. And then after that I basically had a quiz over that. So after I finished my quiz I ate breakfast and then came back to my computer and did more work. the next couple things were so easy. Literally all I had to do was watch some videos about what we were supposed to do for the next week and how we're supposed to exercise, and then mark it as done. Like, I did 2 assignments and I was done, and then I read one of my teacher's like expectations slash kind of like helping out, and that was basically it for my day. Like, every single day depends on like the assignment and stuff, but I always make sure that I finish at around 4:30, but no more than 4. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you what am I gonna say? Oh, check the I button, because I will be linking the online school day in my life, which I did before this one, and they're kind of different. They're actually majorly different, but make sure you guys watch that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video, because it's going to be about how I take notes in general and now that I'm in summer PE and health. So I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the Angels team and hit the notification bell to be part of the #Angels notification team. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it'll be an amazing one. Bye guys.